مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. I hope you are well and having a wonderful day wherever you are. In this short tutorial, I'll be comparing between some identical sounds in Arabic. Without further ado, let's have a look. Our first letter is ha. This letter, we pronounce it from the back of our throat. Or imagine if you got glasses and you need to clean them by blowing hot air on this letter. So give it that a try. Or if you found a spicy food, then you know this letter. The other letter is the letter ha, as in hotel. Between these two letters, a lot of confusion arises, and that is simply because of the identical sounds that these two letters have. Let's have a look at these examples, and hopefully they help you to practice and master pronouncing these two letters. Hal. Hal, solution. Hal. 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 Hal is in MSA, which means is there or are there, as well as do and does. Haram. 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 Halal. 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 Hilal. 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 Hubub. 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 Hawa. 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 As you see from these examples, every single vocabulary here on this side starts with the letter ha, and equally on the other side we have all these vocabulary that write with the letter ha, both of them ending with the same consonants. This is where sometimes Arabic learners, they find it very difficult in terms of pronouncing these letters and try to distinguish between them too, and this could have a great effect on pronunciation and when it comes to dictation or writing the letters. If your teacher is talking to you and you try to write it down, this could cause a lot of confusion. I hope this video helped you to distinguish between the letter ha and ha. Ha, how to pronounce it. Imagine if you are cleaning your glasses by blowing hot air into the glasses, or if you're a fan of spicy food, then you definitely know this letter. On the other side, we've got the letter ha, as in hotel. Great, guys. Thank you all very much. Hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Till next time, stay safe. Ma salame.